With limited forest cover, rising temperatures, and increasing ecological stress, Pali faces a fragile environmental balance. The need was not just for plantation, but for restoration. At ZEISS, we look at sustainability with a long-term perspective. It is not defined by individual initiatives, but by how we think and act over time. In Pali, the focus was on restoring ecological balance using native species and a structured afforestation approach. What is important for us is that the impact is measurable and that it sustains beyond the initial effort. To implement this, ZEISS partnered with forest creators, specialists in the Miyawaki method of afforestation.
After doing soil study in Pali, Rajasthan, Giradra, according to the soil condition and the atmospheric condition of Pali, Rajasthan, we have identified a local native species for the particular place in Pali, Rajasthan, and we have started creating a forest and done a good urban forest over Pali, Rajasthan, Giradra site. And then we have seen a biodiversity development and ecosystem managing naturally. And in upcoming days, the forest will grow in more dense and the ecosystem and biodiversity will again develop more in upcoming days and in future days.
This initiative reflects a broader approach where environmental responsibility is integrated into how ZEISS operates globally.
At ZEISS, we think about sustainability initiatives with a fairly long-term and a holistic approach. It defines the way we act and think about every initiative that we undertake in a more holistic manner by looking at the communities that we engage with and the impact we drive for that. Pali is a great example of that sustainability approach we have. We took a piece of land that is completely depleted as a result of rapid industrialization around that area and planted over 32,000 trees to drive the improvement in the quality of land and ecology around it. We don't just plant trees. We also measure the impact that this will have in the quality of life, quality of health, and quality of consumption of natural resources of all the communities that are surrounded within this area. That's how holistic our approach is to sustainability when it comes to driving it in India.
What was once under stress is now steadily regenerating. A forest built on science, sustained through structure, designed to grow over time. At ZEISS, sustainability is not a single moment, but a continuous commitment.